Class. Today we shall be looking at words and figures. This is a continuation of what we had in the other class, still under numerals. So the first thing is to identify what is words and identify what is figure. So that is A, identification. This is what is called figure. This is what is called words. Here we have 216 written in words this way. Now we are going to look at how we can now convert from figures to words. Any number that is given to you, no matter how lengthy it is, no matter how big it is, you can just apply these simple tips and you'll be able to convert from figures to words. For instance, let's have this number 2168901. If you are given this number, only what you need to do is to count 3 digits from the back. 1, 2, 3, put comma. Another one, 1, 2, 3, put comma. Then you label each digit. Here, this is unit, this is tens, this is hundred. Then from here to here is under thousand. Then this one is under million. This is what we guide you for you to be able to call this number. You just say 21,689,013. So for you to write this, you say 21,000,000. Put your comma. 689,000. Also put your comma and 13. Full stop. This is the simple way to write any number given to you, no matter how lengthy it is.